So guys, in the previous video I told you on what are free rewards on Reddit, and then also I promised you that I'll be showing you me giving away my free reward which I got from Reddit. So now I found a meme where I think it deserves a reward. Maybe for me, but for you, I mean, not sure for you, but for me, it's very sure. So as you can clearly see, the meme is a classic meme with all the planets, and then with this COVID-19 pandemic, more than 1 billion people have died, maybe more, not sure. And also has words, Earth has words. That's very funny. Wow. And then so accidentally when I was doing this video, but my first take, I mean, my internet lagged because it was raining. And then if you might not hear, if I have uploaded it, if you might not hear it, because I reduced the background of it and it's still raining. And now I have removed my background noise clearly from my video, and then I did it on iMovie. So to learn that, watch my next short. I'll be linking that in the description below when I do it. And then back to the video. And then to award it, like if you scroll down in the post, you can see that there's a award icon. And then the thing is that when I accidentally got it from here, it got stored, and then Thankful is there. And then it's not fake. My video is real. And then if you think that that's fake, just go to my previous video and see that this thing was no codes as free coins, I mean free. So then there are three 1 2 3 4 5 6 icons. One was comments, awards, share, save, hide, report. So guys, if you don't have a award, I mean, this thing won't show up. It will just be award, and these hands may not glow. So as I have a reward, these hands glow. And then to give away the reward, to this post, simply click on this. And then as you can clearly see, it's a helpful award. Thank you stranger, shows the award. And then simply type a private message. I would say this is a good meme, and also very helpful in the same time. So now I'm gonna give it away, and as you can clearly see, it's shown as 23 hours late because I took it 1 hour ago, and then I stayed a little bit because it was thundering. Of course, it thunders when it rains. So now I'm gonna give it away, and it's loading. So presently I have 117 karma, and then it got 125. This is not entity, and as you can clearly see, a message gets, and then it's on buy. Thanks, kind stranger, to keep rewarding. Get some coins. So I don't have money still because I'm not a big YouTuber. But if I become a big YouTuber, I'll buy many of these and then give it away, and then become famous on Quora. So, and to prove that, yeah, before starting this video, I just opened another tab, and then opened the triple tutorials, and then it is 170 karma percent, and then from one click it will be 125. So yep, it's 125 as you can clearly see.